Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be trying out some new ColourPop makeup I picked up recently. If you want to buy ColourPop from India, I'm going to list down how to get it in the description box below. Let's start with foundation. I'm using the No Filter foundation. I picked the shade 110. The shade is a good match for me. I would say 110 is very much like NC40, NC42. It's just a tiny bit dark for me, and generally foundations tend to oxidize a little on my oily skin. But it works. It's not jarringly different. The coverage is really nice and I like the satiny finish of this foundation. Next, I'm going to use a brow kit by Sigma. This is the brow powder. I'm going to use the darker shade from this just to fill in those gaps. Because I have pretty full brows naturally, I don't fiddle with them too much. Next, I'm going to use this lighter creamy product, and this is for using on the brow bone just to give a really clean look and just to give just the illusion of a higher arch. This product is also from Sigma. It was part of the little kit I received some time back. You can just use concealer for this step as well. Next, I'm going to use MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and this works really nicely as a base. The color is just a tiny bit light for me, but once I use powder eyeshadow on top of it, it sort of covers it up. I'm going to use the MAR eyeshadow palette, and I was so excited to receive this. I think the colors are really pretty. I'm going to start with this dark matte brown, and then later on I'll use that lighter matte color as well. The dark matte brown goes all over the lid. I'm trying to do like a halo sort of a look, so I'm going to be adding a copper in the center of my lid later. Right now I'm just patting on that matte brown all over my lid and trying to get like a nice even finish. I've then used the lighter brown color, and I'm using that to blend out the edges just to give a nice smooth transition. I'm going to intensify the darker brown in the inner 1/3 and the outer 1/3 of my lid because I want the color to be just really strong in these areas. I'm then taking that shimmery copper color and I'm going to pat it all over in the center bit of my lid. The colors are really well pigmented, but they're not too soft, not powdery. They still have that sort of creaminess which makes them super easy to apply. I'm going to do just a little bit of gentle blending so the copper and the brown have just a bit of a smooth transition. Now for concealer, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match. This is my current favorite at the moment and I've been using it pretty consistently. It's about medium coverage, feels quite nice and moisturizing but non-greasy in the under eye area. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to do a combination of these two colors. The lighter green goes in the inner half and then the darker, more vibrant blue goes in the outer half, and I'm trying to create sort of like a transition gradient effect here. For the inner corner highlight, I'm using Lunch Money, also by ColourPop, and this is actually the first time I've tried their highlighters and I love the feel of it. It's very creamy but sort of has a powdery dry down. Now for the mascara, I'm using the Isadora Flashing Volume. I've talked about this in a couple of previous videos. I love the brush. This gives you really nice thick lashes, but I'm also going to be putting on a pair of false eyelashes, and the ones I'm going to use are from Tarte. Coming back to the face, I'm using a blush also from ColourPop. This is majorly a ColourPop tutorial. The shade is called Get Laid and it's a really nice soft peach color. For the cheek highlight, I'm using Lunch Money highlighter, the same one that I'd use for my inner corners, and this just feels so nice on the skin. The texture is just beautiful. You have to try it to really know what I'm talking about. To do a little bit of contouring, I'm using this contour kit from Wet n Wild. This is one of my current favorites. I think I've used this in a couple of previous videos as well. The contour color, it's a bit powdery, but the color is just perfect for my complexion. It's just got the right bit of cool tone to it. It's not too brown, it's not too gray, and it looks very natural on the skin. For the lips, I'm going to be mixing two lip colors. Both of these are from the Ultra Blotted range from ColourPop. This is like a stain. It's not 100% opaque. The first color I'm using is called Soda Pop, and then this brighter coral color is called Vitamin C. And I really like that resulting color. As a last finishing touch, I use this eyeliner along my lower waterline just to give a slight brightening effect. And that is the final look. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.